is the purple list. Number 1, monopod. I attached the camera to a monopod so I could take a picture of myself sitting by the pond. Monopod. Number 2, bisect. I will bisect this cupcake so we can each have half. Number 3 is monotone. I used a monotone voice so that I wouldn't wake the baby. Number 4 is bi-weekly. You receive a bi-weekly spelling list to work with and study from. Number 5 is triathlon. I would like to try a triathlon so that I can compete in swimming, biking, and running at the same time in the same race. Number 6 is bilingual. Miss Guzman is bilingual because she speaks Spanish and English. Number 7 is monorail. We took the monorail into the city because it was so fast. Number 8 is triangle. I drew a triangle and kept all 3 sides very straight. Number 9 is tricolor. I like the tricolor car best because the 3 colors are so pretty. Number 10 is bifurcate. I'm going to bifurcate the class into a group that does spelling work and then a group that does reading work.